Welcome. Today we are exploring the largest, most luxurious bedroom unit in the stunning high-end residential complex. Now let's step inside and begin our tour, starting with a very special space. A perfect blend of sophistication and comfort. Floor-to-ceiling wooden bookshelves line one wall, filled with a mix of classic tomes and glossy design volumes. Plush leather armchairs, a velvet case, and low solid wood reading tables invite you to sit and linger. Large panoramic windows fill the room with soft natural light, and integrated writing desk with ergonomic chairs make it an ideal spot for working from home. Ambient, rescued light and warm table lamps create a cozy atmosphere. Once the sun goes down, this is truly the perfect space to read, work, or gather in thoughtful conversation. Just above the bookshelf area, you are led into a quiet transitional lobby, an open, airy space that adds a sense of flow and breathing room. It's the kind of in-between zone that elevates the layout, perfect for reading nook, console styling, or simply letting the architecture breathe. This transitional lobby opens up into a generous lounge-like space designed for quiet gatherings, casual conversations, or simply unwinding. Multiple armchairs and soft seatings are arranged thoughtfully, creating small pockets of comfort within a large open plan. Let's move inside the banquet and event hall. This grand space spans over 1,000 square feet, hosting up to 200 guests. It's elegantly finished with neutral tone walls, high ceilings. Adjacent to the banquet hall is full service spa and sauna. This facility includes separate finished saunas for both men and women, each with wood paneled interior and reinforcing glazing. There's also a steam room to refresh and rejuvenate with calming nature sounds and soft lighting integrated into the design. It's wellness elevated, every element cultivated for maximum comfort and relaxation. The spa and sauna facilities are thoughtfully designed, offering a serene escape from everyday stress. The steam room and sauna are separate yet equally indulgent, giving every resident a private, luxurious wellness experience. It's not just spa, it's your personal retreat within the comfort of home. Next up is the state of the art fitness center, equipped for every type of workout. Gym layout includes a stretch corner with yoga mats, battle ropes, and foam rollers. Floor to ceiling mirrors across all walls add a professional studio vibe, while expansive glass windows bring in daylight and feature stunning views of the skyline. Next, a full-size tennis court ideal for both casual play and serious matches. The flood-lit court has a cushioned surface to reduce strain on joints. Whether day or night, you can enjoy a match under the sky or soft lighting. It's the perfect athletic extension of the complex. As you climb the wide, gently lit staircase, you are led towards one of the most stunning highlights of the property, the swimming pool zone. This elevation builds a sense of anticipation, and the moment you reach the top, you are greeted by a resort like atmosphere that instantly feels like a retreat. A large resort style swimming pool accompanied by a luxurious jacuzzi designed as an indoor outdoor oasis. This pool is open to fresh air. It's the perfect spot to unwind after a workout. It's more than just a pool, it feels like a private resort right here in the heart of BKC. You'll notice how beautifully spread out this entire zone is, from a dedicated lap pool for your daily workouts to leisure pool for lounging. Everything has been thoughtfully designed to balance both fitness and relaxation. What really elevates this space is the jacuzzi, temperature controlled with powerful hydro jets set against ambient lighting and lush surroundings. Whether you are unwinding after a long day or spending the weekend at home, this spot feels like an escape. There is plenty of deck seating, private cabanas, and sun loungers for residents to enjoy morning swims, sunset dips, or even a quiet moment under the stars. When you compare it to other projects in BKC, the scale and detailing here really stands out, especially when it comes to lifestyle amenities like this. Heading down now, and even the elevator here reflects the same level of luxury, smooth, silent, and finished with premium materials. It's these quiet details that truly define elevated lifestyle. Okay, we have seen the exterior, public spaces, and amenities. Now let's explore the star of the show, the massive bedroom. A separate, well ventilated servants' quarter with its own entrance ensures privacy and seamless service. Now let's step into the heart of the home, the living and the dining area. The living area features plush, oversized sofas that blend comfort with contemporary elegance. The kitchen is in modern design and functionality. The countertop and backsplash are crafted from high-grade quartz, heat-resistant, stain-proof, and timelessly elegant. The neutral-toned L-shaped sofa sets complements It is expansive, designed to be your personal sanctuary. It features large format windows that flood the room with natural light while offering unobstructed views of the city's skyline. All the bedrooms are thoughtfully designed. This home offers the perfect balance of comfort, sophistication, and lifestyle. If you are someone who appreciates refined living and world class detailing, this space is more than just a home. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more walkthroughs of the most exclusive homes in the city. See you in the next one.